Are you Carolyn Pomeroy? Ms. Pomeroy, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, will be appointed to you now.
On June 1st, 2024, officers were dispatched to a disturbance call. A group of drunk adults were upset at some kids who had sped through or by the residents in a gated community. Officers made contact with the juveniles, the complaining witnesses, who lived approximately 9 houses down from where the adults lived. All the juveniles were aged 16. The complaining witnesses reported to officers that when they arrived at home, 2 adult females, including the defendant and an adult male, ran towards the complaining witness. The complaining witness told the witness, who was the driver of the car, to drive around the block. So they got back into the car. Before they took off, the defendant threw an empty seltzer can at the vehicle, hitting it. The complaining witness and the driver exited the car.
They threw empty seltzer cans at
the teenagers.
At the car that was speeding.
Okay.
Complaining witness and the driver of the car, also juvenile, exited the car to assess damages and see why the adults were chasing them. The defendant approached the complaining witness, accused him of not living in the neighborhood, and accused him of staying at an Airbnb. Complaining witness informed the defendant that he was a minor. The complaining witness then walked back to his residence when he was punched in the back of the head by the defendant, causing dizziness, pain, a visible bump. He indicated to the officer that it was a 7 of 10 on the pain scale. The defendant and an adult male then chased the complaining witness, taunted them by flinching at them. The complaining witness picked up a brick for protection and got to a neighbor's house and sought help. The defendant then came to the complaining witness's house, rang the doorbell, and was screaming for the kids to come outside.
All of which we dispute with the exception of a few facts.
Okay. So you'll get the opportunity to fight your case, obviously. So Ms. Pomeroy, the only thing I'm going to advise you now is that I'm going to put bond conditions on you. I am going to find that there's probable cause. I'm ordering you not to have any contact with these complaining witnesses and not to be in possession of weapons. That's it.
Address that, Your Honor. Sure. This, not included in the probable cause was your complaining witness coming up to my client prior to anything happening before them, because first of all, when they were motioning them to slow down in this gated community, they were driving 40 miles an hour through. The complaining witness stuck his head out the car and said, "Go," may I use profanity, Your Honor?
Sure.
"Fuck yourselves."
Sure.
My client, because of that, threw the empty seltzer can, causing no damage.